Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a cover for my Christmas junk journal. Let's get started. First, cut 3 pieces of cardboard. I'm using recycled cardboard for this cover. We need 2 pieces 5 3/4 inch by 6 1/4 inch for the covers and 1 piece 2 inches by 6 1/4 inches for the spine. I'm using 2-inch wide medical tape to put 3 pieces together. You can get this tape at any pharmacy section in any grocery store. Between the spine and the cover, make sure to leave 1/8 of inch gap. Next, I'm going to cover the cardboards with a piece of paper. I'm using printer paper, measures 11 inches by 17 inches. If you don't have a big piece of paper like this, you can always put 2 pieces of smaller paper, like a letter size, together. This piece of paper will not be seen after the cover is finished, so it doesn't matter what this piece of paper looks like. Now I'm going to start covering it with the gingerbread prints design paper. For the spine, I'm using a piece of 4-inch wide by 8-inch tall paper. For the front and the back cover, cut approximately 6 inches by 8.5 inches and glue them next to the spine. Leave about a 1/4 inch away from the hinge of the spine. Do the same to cover the other side of this cover. Now I have completed the basic of this cover. And I'm going to distress the entire edges of this cover before I glue my cover pages on it. Now I'm ready to place my design pages to the front and the back covers. The outside of the cover is completed. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make the hinges and decorate the inside of the cover. Please subscribe and comment. Look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye bye.